Hello guys, welcome to Hong Kong. Actually, this is my third time here, and last year, June 2023, been here also, but it's only a layover. So now guys, going to immigration. Actually, the immigration here is a little bit far, but it's okay. It's nice to walk. Okay guys, lakad-lakad lang po tayo. Pag-transfer ka dyan, ka pupunta. Kaso, diretso na tayo sa immigration area. We're going to immigration area. Going down using this escalator. Nasa ibaba po yung train station going to immigration. Another escalator. You see? That's the train station.
Okay, thank you so much.
We're going to ride at the train, going to immigration.
Please hold the handrail during the journey. 请勿靠近车门，并请沿途紧握扶手。
Is this happy feet or tired feet? Guys, mikos-mikos na ang mga tao dito, coming from the different sides of the world. And visitors. The last escalator going up. Pa-cute muna si Akich. I want to walk here. I'm already tired this one. Napapa-cute pero pagoda cold wave lotion na yarn. Conveyor area. Lumapit na ako dito. Wala pa. Aray. I'm waiting for my luggage. Alright guys, while waiting for my luggage, nandito lang po muna tayo. See you on my next videos. Thank you so much. Mwah, mwah.